For our N2 Neoloop back-to-back connectors, you will receive 2 metal clips, an electrical connection, and then the outer plastic pieces for the DIY connectors. To install, you'll take your metal clips and install them onto the neon. Same thing on the other side, to where you have a connection like that. You'll then take your electrical connector, and there are metal prongs on the bottom. Those will go between the circuit board and the plastic backer inside the Neoloop. To do that, pull the backer and the bottom of the Neoloop back and slide the electrical connector in. Then repeat that process on the other side. Slide the prongs in between the circuit board and the plastic backer. Your connection will then look like that. Take your bottom plastic piece and press the Neoloop with the metal clips into that. And then you'll put on the top piece. And again, this should all snap together, and you'll hear a positive latch when you've made a good connection.